Some of the biggest challenges we see in the implementation of AI include understanding how to use the technology quickly and effectively to meet the specific needs or use cases that the business has, which is one of the key reasons that we work with partners to help drive that change as quickly as possible. There's an interest in personalizing the customer journey, responding to a customer where and when and how they want to engage, to improve not only the service aspects of the business, but also to improve the buying and the overall ownership lifecycle. We announced the collaboration with STELLA Automotive AI as a result of our interest in improving customer experience in the service and the sales department, based on the industry expertise and the quality of the existing solution that STELLA already had in the market, with the unique opportunity with Microsoft's AI stack to help improve the roadmap and create a comprehensive new capabilities that are part of STELLA's solution portfolio. The decision to collaborate with STELLA AI was based on an understanding of their current technology portfolio, as well as the relationships they have in the industry with their customers. The evidence of customer satisfaction was one of the key reasons that we elected to work with STELLA, and one of the key reasons we're really interested in helping to develop and deepen the partnership with the addition of new services based on a combination of STELLA's technology and Microsoft's platform.